Hello, welcome back to my channel on Spoken English. Today we have the topic of collective nouns. A dash of birds. What do you think? Possible choices: a herd of birds, a pack of birds, a flock of birds, a litter of birds, a flock of birds. A dash of cows. What do you think? A herd of cows, a troop of cows, a litter of cows, a gang of cows. Of course, it's a herd of cows. Next one. A dash of cattle. A herd of cattle, a pack of cattle, a bunch of cattle, a litter of cattle. What do you say? A herd of cattle. A dash of wolves, a bunch of wolves, a pack of wolves, a flock of wolves, a litter of wolves. And the correct answer is a pack of wolves. Next one. A dash of lions. What do you think? A school of lions, a pod of lions, a pride of lions, a litter of lions. And the correct answer, yes, a pride of lions. A dash of puppies. What would be the collective noun? A swarm of puppies, a bunch of puppies, a bag of puppies, a litter of puppies. And the correct answer, a litter of puppies. A dash of bees. What could be the correct answer? A colony of bees, a swarm of bees, a team of bees, or a fleet of bees. A swarm of bees. A dash of fish. A band of fish, a fleet of fish, a crew of fish, a school of fish. And the answer is a school of fish. I hope you found the video interesting today. If you did, please do like it and subscribe it. Thank you.